Hey, what's up Cardano holders? So in this video I will update you, and absolutely I predicate this coin to what's going on in the future, especially what they do my friend and the last month, and what's the next, what's in the future my friends. In Cardano as in June my friends, they will take a jumps, they will give you a profits or not my brother. What's the future and my friend in upcoming time. So let's see, but kindly before I get started this video I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, this time you can see here the Cardano as not a big updates available, but this time you can see here the price update, and you can see here this time the market cap, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day update is on the screen. This time if you can see my brother, the change occur will be positive. You can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day, and absolutely last 7 days also chart is going to be positive. So it's me to Cardano is in the profit and completely moving upward. Definitely it's very good time for Cardano holder, because you know every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down in the start of month. So this is absolutely good news for all of you. To Cardano is starting moving up like rocket. So I am so happy because I am also holder of Cadano. This time you can see the Cardano rank. The Cardano rank is 5 exactly in crypto market. I think the Cardano rank is fails down, but definitely especially from last, and especially in the last May month my friend, they are completely fails down. Not just unique this coin, all crypto market is very badly fails down, but Cardano is very badly fails down. So if you can see remember, this time the market cap as you can see here 6 I think a billion, and 24-hour volume if you can see here 4 billion. Supply is circulating if you can see here 32 billion, and max supply 45 million, and distributions you can see 71.26% totally. Yeah, exactly. So it's a very good news update and very good update for all of you, because the change occur will be positive. So it's mean to they are going to be very good. The last 24 hours you can see here this time, and if you check out the last 1 month chart, then absolutely after that my friend I predicate this coin to what's going on in the future in upcoming time. There is a chances they're moving upward or not. So as you can see here my friend, this time the chain occur will be positive and completely the direction is go in the moon. Let's see the first line you can see here touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point. So it's mean to they are completely in the pose. You can see here after a fails every cryptocurrencies take a very huge jump. So you can see like that. You can see here after a jump they also fails down, but definitely after a fails they also take a very huge jump. So it's mean to they completely move in this circulation exactly this time. You can see here the jumping time, and absolutely the last 1 hour already I already show you, and this is exactly going to be positive my brother. So now this chart is completely show my friends. You can see here to especially in this month they are get a profit. So you need my brothers to upcoming time if you want to make a good money and make a good profit. So you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope my friends the price is going to be double. The price is my friends 3x. They will give you 3x to 10x my friends profit now. So exactly it's very good. So kindly hold it, don't sell it. And this is my opinion, this is not a financial video. Remember, this is my opinion. Thanks for watching holder. Please like this video and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Keep touch with us. Every stake channel will guide you every time.